Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your event management with Eventbrite easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your event management with Eventbrite, start by visiting Eventbrite's official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address, create a password, and click on Create Account. Fill in the essential details about your event, including the event name, description, and date. Select the location of your event, whether it's a physical venue or a virtual space. Set the time for your event, ensuring it aligns with your audience's availability. Choose the type of tickets you want to offer, such as general admission or VIP options. Customize ticket pricing by entering the price per ticket and any quantity limits. If applicable, set up a promotional code for discounts to encourage ticket sales. Next, explore the event settings to manage registration options and attendee information. Configure your payment settings by linking your bank account for ticket sales payout. Review your event details in the summary to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your event live. Share your event link across social media platforms and via email to reach your audience. Monitor ticket sales and registrations through your Eventbrite dashboard. Engage with attendees before the event by sending updates and reminders. On the day of the event, ensure all aspects are in place for a seamless experience. Post-event, utilize Eventbrite's analytics tools to review attendance and gather feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.